Hello students, let's we start our next topic, Newland's law of octaves. The English scientist John Newland correlated the atomic masses of elements to their properties in a different way. In year 1866, Newland arranged the elements known at that time in an increasing order of their atomic masses. Students, after Dobryner's, Newlands get an inspiration and he also arranged elements related to their atomic masses. In increasing order, he arranged that elements. It started with the lightest element hydrogen and ended up with thorium. He found that every eighth element had properties similar to those of the first. For example, sodium is the eighth element from lithium and both have similar properties. Students, when he arranged the elements related to their atomic masses in increasing order, here they have given the example of sodium. Sodium is the eighth element from lithium and sodium shows the similar properties to the lithium. Also, magnesium shows similar to beryllium and chlorine shows similarity with fluorine. Newlands compared this similarity with the octaves in music. He called the similarity observed in the eighth and the first element as the law of octaves. Students, when Newlands arranged these elements increasing order related to their atomic masses, when he observed the eighth element shows the similarity with the first elements, then he compared this element related to the octaves in music, and that's why he gave the name to it, that is law of octaves. In octaves there is an 8 musical notes. Here in this table they have showed do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. So like this he arranged the elements. He said that the first from sodium, that is the 8th number element from lithium. And it shows the similarity to the lithium related to their properties. Many limitations were found in Newland's octave. This law was found to be applicable only up to calcium. Newlands fitted all the known elements in a table of 7 by 8, that is 56 boxes. Students, when Newlands researched the elements, that time only 56 elements were known, and he arranged all these 56 elements in the boxes, but this law only applicable up to the calcium and remaining that elements not obey these octaves. Newlands placed two elements in each in some boxes to accommodate all the known elements in the table. For example, cobalt and nickel. Here they showed to us two elements he arranged here, and cerium and lanthanum. Moreover, he placed some elements with the different properties under the same note in the octave. For example, Newlands placed the metal cobalt and nickel under the note do, along with halogen, while ferrous, that is iron, under the note T. Also, Newlands octaves did not have provision to accommodate the newly discovered elements. The properties of new elements discovered later on did not fit in the Newland's law of octave. Students, when Newlands arranged the elements, that time some elements he gave the place two elements at the same place. Here they show the cobalt and nickel, then cerium and lanthanum. He has given the same place for the two elements, and after new elements when they discover they doesn't have the place in this box. That's why there is a limitation to this theory. Then next scientists research related to the properties of elements, and they made the tables. Next, that is Mendeleev's periodic table. The Russian scientist Dmitry Mendeleev developed the periodic table of elements during the period 1869 to 1872 AD. Mendeleev's periodic table is the most important step in the classification of elements. Mendeleev considered the fundamental properties of elements, namely the atomic mass, as standard and arranged 63 elements known at that time in an increasing order of their atomic masses. Then he transferred these into the periodic table of elements in accordance with the physical and chemical properties of these elements. Students, when Mendeleev arranged the elements, that time 63 elements were known, and he has given the fundamental property of elements, that is atomic mass. He arranged the elements related to their not only the atomic mass but also they have considered the physical and chemical properties of the elements. And related to their physical and chemical properties, Mendeleev arranged the elements. Mendeleev organized the periodic table on the basis of the chemical and physical properties of the elements. These were the molecular formulae of hydrides and oxides of the elements, melting points, boiling points, and densities of the elements, and their hydrides and oxides. Mendeleev found that the elements with similar physical and chemical properties repeat after a definite intervals. On the basis of these findings, Mendeleev stated the following periodic law. Students, here when Mendeleev arranged the elements related to their physical and chemical properties, and he considered there the hydrides and oxides of the elements, as well as melting point, boiling point, and density of the elements. And when he arranged that elements, he find that they show the similar physical and chemical properties, that is repeat after a definite intervals. And then he stated, on the basis of that, he stated the following periodic law. Properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. The vertical column in Mendeleev's periodic table are called groups, while the horizontal rows are called periods. The vertical columns like this, they are called the groups, and horizontal rows are called periods. Think on it. There are some vacant places in Mendeleev's periodic table. In some of these places, the atomic masses are seen to be predicted. Enlist 3 of these predicted atomic masses along with their groups and period. Students, they have already given the vacant places or predicted that some elements. Second, due to uncertainty in the names of the some elements, a question mark is indicated before the symbol in Mendeleev's periodic table. What are such symbols? Merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Science is progressive. There is a freedom in science to revise the old inference by using more advanced means and methods of doing experiments. These characteristics of science are clearly seen in the Mendeleev's periodic table. While applying the law that the properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic masses. To all the known elements, Mendeleev arranged the elements with a thought that the information available till then was not final but it could change. As a result of this, Mendeleev's periodic table demonstrate the following merits. Students, we know that science is progressive. Day by day, there are research on. Here we are talking about the elements properties and new elements also they are searching. So while applying the law that properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. Here they have given the importance for the atomic masses of the elements. That is the fundamental functions they said here. Mendeleev arranged the elements with thought that information available. What information available to him related to their physical and chemical properties, that also he considered when he has prepared that table. And that was not final but it could change. He has given some places to the elements but that was not fixed, that could be changed. As a result of this, Mendeleev periodic table demonstrate the following merits. We have given their following merits. Atomic masses of some elements were revised so as to give them proper place in the periodic table in accordance with their properties. For example, the previously determined atomic mass of beryllium, that is 14.90, was changed to the correct value 9.4 and beryllium was placed before boron. Second, Mendeleev kept vacant places in the periodic table for elements not discovered till then. Three of these unknown elements were given the names Eka boron, Eka aluminium and Eka silicon from the known neighbors, and their atomic masses were indicated as 44, 68 and 72 respectively. Not only this but their properties were also predicted. Later on these elements were discovered named as scandium, gallium and germanium respectively. The properties of these elements match well with those predicted by Mendeleev. They have given the see the table 2.4 here. Due to this success, all were convicted about the importance of Mendeleev's periodic table, and this method of classification of element was accepted immediately. Students, when Mendeleev prepared a table, that time he has given placed some elements, but some elements that doesn't have given the fixed place. After the research on that, they are related to their properties, that it can be changed. Here they have given the example of beryllium, that previously is mass that is 14.09 and it changed that correct value as 9.4. and afterwards it placed before the boron. Second, they said Mendeleev already predicted the unknown elements. He have given the vacant places. He kept vacant places in his periodic table. That time he don't know that name of that elements, and he gave the unknown elements name, that is Ika boron, Ika aluminum, and Ika silicon. As well as he indicated as their atomic masses also, that were unknown elements. That masses is 44, 68, and 72 respectively. And after the discovered that elements, they have given the name to that elements. And the properties what he said or predict before the search that element, that afterwards match well with those predicted by the Mendeleevs. And due to this success, all were convinced about this importance of Mendeleev's periodic table, and this method of classification was accepted immediately. Here they showed the chart, that is actual and predicted properties of gallium. Third, merits. There was no place reserved for noble gases in Mendeleev's original periodic table. However, when noble gases such as helium, neon, and argon were discovered towards the end of the 19th century, Mendeleev created the zero group without disturbing the original periodic table, in which the noble gases were fitted very well. Students, after research on the elements, they were found the noble gases also. And that time he has not given the vacant places. He has not kept the vacant places in the periodic table. But without disturbing the table, Mendeleev created the zero group. And then they make the zero group without disturbing the original periodic table. Students, we know that the noble gases, they are stable. They are not participate in any chemical reaction. They are called the noble gases.